Hello, in this session we're going to look at the mortgage calculator written in C++. Instead of having you watch me type or type poorly, I've already coded the program. I started the program with comments that identify the name of the program, the author, descriptive information, and when it was last modified. I included 3 libraries, IOStream for cout, cn, cmath, so we can do the exponential, and IOmanipulate for set w. Let's look at the variables. I'm using doubles. Since the amount has decimals, it is money. The user enters the sale price, the percentage down, length in years, annual interest rate. The next set of variables hold the calculation for down payment, length in month, monthly interest, principal, the numerator, denominator, and monthly payment. Starting in line 21, we're going to get the information from the user. We are assuming the user knows to enter 0.20 for 20%. This is not a good assumption, and in future chapters we'll look at ways of dealing with different types of inputs. We are also assuming the user knows to enter 0.04 for 4%. The next part of the program is converting the user input to monthly data and also calculating the down payment and principal. Once the data is converted, we can use the monthly data in a formula. Wow, am I glad I broke the formula down into numerator and denominator. Otherwise, it would be a very large formula. The formulas are the same we used in the Raptor program. In our Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft very nicely created payment functions, so we never had to enter the formula. Notice instead of a caret symbol that I use in Raptor, C++ uses POW to raise the 1 plus interest rate to the length of months. And once the input is processed, we display it so it's easy for the user to read. Let's test our data. Start debugging, and we are prompted to enter the sale price of the home. We're prompted to enter the percentage down, the length in years, and also the annual interest rate, which is 4%. I click enter, and the down payment is $20,000 and the monthly payment is $381,000. We need to run this again to test for the FHA numbers. So we click debug again, we enter 100,000, we enter the percentage down, which is 0.035. The length in years is the same, 30. The annual interest rate is 0.04. And now the down payment is lower and the monthly payment is $460. Let's do one more test. Let's run it with 0 interest rate. So the price of the home is $100,000. The percentage down doesn't matter, put 20% down. The length is 30, and your friend's doing that loan app for you, so they put 0 interest rate. Hit enter. Wow, look at that output. Did you anticipate your user's input?